Hi, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Lori.
We're Kovaction Dronography, and today we're at Rail Explorers to do the rail experience in Cooperstown, New York. So we'll be back with more right after this. So here come our cars. We're going to take the back on the way up and the front on the way back.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights.
All right, we're going to check in. And there's Caleb. Hey, Caleb. Are you okay being on camera, by the way? All right, I thought so.
Check it in.
Yeah.
Last name?
KOVAC.
Alright, so I need each of you to put this nice little sticker on. It says you're with us. You're gonna try hopping on, stealing our bikes. Please use the bathroom, nice big white trailer over there, because there won't be one for the turnaround, but it's a porta potty. No one really likes using porta potty. And please meet by the anoretic chairs around 8:20. It is 8:08 now.
Perfect. All right, thanks a lot.
It's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may.
Am I interrupting? No. I don't want to interrupt. That's why I don't know if I can interview you guys a little bit, but like probably you guys have real professional stuff. But I was like wondering like how long's Rail Explorers existed?
So the company Rail Explorers itself has only been around for like 5 years. I think 2015, 2016 is when it started.
Yeah.
Our division have only been open about 7 or 8 weeks now. So we started up Memorial Day weekend.
Oh, you guys are brand new because like we've seen the one down in like the Catskills.
Oh yeah,
a few times, and we wanted to do it, but like we were there in the fall. That's what we should have done.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
This one will be really good.
This will be really great in the fall as well.
Yeah.
Definitely.
A little bit of a spoiler, our motors are slightly bigger than theirs, so you don't get to go quite as fast in Catskills.
I kept gaining on the car in front of me, and like my niece would turn around, she'd slow down. I'm gonna let her brake on the way back. She's a better brake person than me. So, not that we had any close calls or anything, but totally let her do it. Then I can be up front and film anyway.
Yeah.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old lives.